How to resolve comments in Canva. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So after logging into your Canva account, you can see or you can select a design, and as you can see, there can be multiple team members on your Canva profile. And let's say this is the design where multiple person can review this design and they can comment on this design for betterment. And as you can see, there is a option here, like someone has written a comment here, and you just have to simply click on here, and as you can see, it's a comment like hi, and many team members can suggest you some design ideas to make it more perfect. So whenever you have done or received the suggestion and you have just applied it, you can just click on the right option from here, and that will resolve this comment, and they will know that you have seen their comment and implemented it on your design. So that's it for this video. That's how you can resolve a comment on Canva. See you on the next video, guys.